Today I'm going to talk to you about our Bonmat and our perforated baking sheet. The two pieces work together as a cooking system. Anything that you would put on a flat baking sheet, you can put on your Bonmat and your perforated baking sheet. But the best part about this is you no longer need to use foil or parchment paper, throw them out, don't buy them. This is way better for you with the food and also for the environment as well. So you don't spray grease, oil, treat this pan in any way. Even if the recipe says grease the pan, you don't need to. So whether you're roasting your vegetables, you're baking your pizza, you're baking your cookies, you name it, you can use Bonmat for it. It's incredible. Your cooking results are gonna be better because it's made of that woven glass and silicone makes it non-stick. The perforated baking sheet is designed to work with the Bonmat. So the heat comes through these holes evenly, allowing the Bonmat to work to its maximum performance. So your Bonmat and baking sheet go in the oven just like this. Now, the Bonmat also comes in various sizes to go with our flexi pans and to act as a lid for the various size flexi pans, which is fantastic, okay? So we also have a Bon macaron mat, which is fantastic for those macarons. And then you can see the octagonal Bonmat fits on several of our round flexi pan trays, okay? The Bonmat and perforated baking sheet, the perforated baking sheet comes in 3 different sizes. The Bonmat, as you can see, comes in multiple sizes. You can see the different sizes right here. We have the small, medium, and large. So the way that I use this, like I said, you can use it in the oven just as so. You can also use it in the oven like as a lid for something that may need a lid. You can also use it in the freezer for the same purpose. So if you've seen our classic muffin tray, and I like to use that in the freezer when I'm freezing items in here, I cover it with my Bonmat. So lots of uses for your Bonmat and your perforated baking sheet.